Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Suhan Mustafa. Sunday, 8th of August, 25th of August, sorry, 25th of August, 2024. So it's a quick update on Bitcoin and many arts here. We had a perfect 2-3 days, green days. So now what's next? We have a little bit of news yesterday of arresting of some shit. So market bleeded a bit. Now what's next? I have a plan and I thought might record this for YouTube video and a quick update on Bitcoin and alts. Alts are important right now. So on Bitcoin there is nothing much right now. We have uh, this supply. I already posted on Twitter and Discord that we are in supply zone, but there are chances that we might see a sweep of these highs and then come back down. But important zone is H4. We had some kind of range developed here. We breached it out. Now price will come down to this range eventually, sooner or later. Maybe end of this month we will be here in this zone. So from here we can reload things up. We are bullish about this range high. This might be our bullish structure break here. We had a internal MSB, I will call it here, order block tapped here. Then after MSB we got our structure break confirmation again, so we might retest it. This is H1 demand here I marked, and upper liquidity zones are this one. First one I will try to target here from this zone. If I make a call here, I or give you a straight away trade. This is a straight away trade here. You might DCA here in this zone. If it goes down, I will average down my entry here. 280, 62, 280. And stop loss should be your below 60,000. Exactly I will say $60,010, and targeting this internal liquidity 70,073. So it's a good 3.43 hour trade. I will wait for confirmation as well. If I already have placed bids here, but if I got some kind of confirmation here, MSB, then I will add more and target this one. This is my first target. Other than that, above targets are mentioned here. These are equal highs pending. Another liquidity zone here, but first I will target this one. Then if I will see a price action and what I say volume in this zone above here. If we had a good volume, then I will continue to hold this position. Otherwise, I will close it down towards my TP. So this is quick Bitcoin, nothing else, nothing fancy. Simple is that. Another one now, coming back to altcoins and starting from Ethereum, which is also important here. Now from daily, I will remove clean chart here. This is a range of Ethereum right now. We didn't tap mid-range yet. This is simple mid-range zone. That's why many arts and things are correcting itself. Just above mid-range, we have a supply zone here. H4 it is. There are chances that we might hit it, but current play scenario saying much things here. Like we had this sweep of these internal liquidities, and we rejected quite well here, and kind of MSB created here, lower time frame MSB. This is a risky one I am looking at right now. Candle didn't closes, but I will count this as MSB here because internal church happened here, and we have now M15 order block placed here. So might be in today we tapped it and then reject here. Now this is current play scenario going on, liquidity hunted. Now lower liquidity is pending. If you see this one, we might not take this, we might front run it, but the possibility is here that we might see those two tap down sooner or later. This one, and if I switch to H4, just below this liquidity we had our order block placed here. We have a good push on alts and everything, but for my I think I will personally wait for this zone to reload things. Not a trade, it's a reload zone for me on alts. If price came back here, then I will reload on alts and will target, then will target higher, like mid range and then range high. So until then, this is my today's scalp plan for lower time frame. Structure wise, it is making higher highs, higher lows, like higher high, higher low, again higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then this higher low breakdown. So I'm expecting go down and come to test at least these demands and shits. So this is what I'm thinking on Ethereum right now. Not bullish on it. Yes, if it reclaimed this level, this supply here on daily, then I will play this range, this whole range. Until unless I'm playing with this range. So this is Ethereum from my side. I will wait for confirmation. I think already have some bids here, but this is my reload. So now back to alts. Bitcoin done. INJ. Now this I will do this on higher time frame. Okay, weekly. Yes, we are in the weekly demand, and we very good. We got a good bounce on weekly demand in INJ, and we left a daily demand here. So stinky bids in this daily demand, and I will target these highs. So if Ethereum came down, as I say, I will reload things up. INJ is my first pick in demand and higher time frame demand and in daily demand also forming up here. Slowly NPOC will also form here. Yes, it is aligning here. So I will wait if price came down towards this zone. This is my first pick. Other than that, OP I have OP, yes. Whole range I marked. I am already in it from this demand in spot, but it is also forming a good structure here. Same daily demand with an FEG here as well. Small FEG, but a daily demand here. So interested zone here. Very interesting. Lows swept out here. Internal structure broke out. So we might see a down push and then we go up towards this zone or might be this level. OP not very interesting but interesting. Okay, SUI. I will pass on this one. Solana. Solana is playing with us right now. Yesterday we tried to short it from this supply, but this supply is now this H1, H4 supply is now acting as a breaker. So if we reclaim this, then a shorts are in. But till then, I'm waiting for confirmations other than daily demand again. Now, Sorona, I have a plan on this equal highs and then this lower time frame, I think H2 demand here. So I have a bids here in this zone. So you would think that I'm looking very lower here. Why I'm looking at very low levels? Because it's a crypto, man. You don't know when things turn out. It take one news and everything will be down again. So yes, preparing myself for like upcoming PA, upcoming month. So a retracement of Bitcoin will lead those coins towards our levels. 1% of movement of Bitcoin will act as a 10% on altcoins. Another one is a TRB. I am already in it from this zone. Lower time frame range, lower time frame supply is acting here, and this is also a breaker formed here on H4. I am doing it quickly so I can cover many yards here. This is my first zone of interested zone. I will wait here. If price given me an opportunity, so I will look here. Other than that, a range, we reclaim range very well. So I think H1 demand here is also a scalp zone. Like from here, stop should be here, and target this one. This is the first TP, and second 87. It's TRB. You never know, it will fill up in one candle. And on lower time frame, if you see, this is H1 supply. So in H1 supply, we rejected quite well. I will remove this for now, and we rejected in it here. Then again, and we swept like deviated above here, structure shifted, retested down, again lower low, lower high, clear structure break. So a test above in this supply might act as a short trade here. I'm looking in it as a short trade here as well. This is M30. This was, sorry, M30 or M5. Let me check it out. M15. Why I marked this, I don't know. H1, sorry. Let me get it right here. H1 30. I removed this shit here. A push here might be a good scalp shot. Again, mid-range. If mid-range retested here, a good short opportunity is here. But as you know, prices are going up and movement is very sharp, and we had a volume from last 2 3 4 days. So shorting a bit risky here, but it is what it is. Chart is showing me as opportunity. If someone wanna short it with low margin, low risk, it's a 2.53 hour trade here. If we got a rejection here and started bleeding, put stop loss on break even straight away. But if it goes up like it is started continuing up, holding here, once it came back down towards break even, get out on break even because it's TRB and it's terrible fine. You know better. Okay, another one. I am already in it. Today's coin. It's rare. Everyone is in it. I think most of you already in it from H4. We don't have much P of rare. Firstly, I was looking from this demand, then front run here, we had SSL here. SSL here, just below we had M30 demand order block. Above SSL, we created accumulation, manipulated here, tapped in demand, created what we call it a deviation here, and then we got a structure break. I will not call it that as a good structure break, but it is a structure break because candle closes above here. So I will count this as an MSB. I wanted a one more candle here. I already in it from current market price here because I thought this might act as a breaker, but it didn't. Now and my DCA bids are in this M15 demand here and stop is below here. So once a price DCA here, my entry price should came in this zone. I'm targeting this liquidity here up here, internal liquidity, and it might go up here because it's rare. It might turn rare moves as well. Atom, important one again. Daily closing today on Atom is important. Personally, I'm in a scalp. I'm in Brickion. I will show you on another on perpetual chart. This is spot chart. Atom, we had key levels, two key levels here, SR flips, whatever you call it. We flipped it on daily. Now daily closes above here. Now price is at SR level, and this is a breakout trend line breakout as well. So it is retesting zone. This it is retesting here. Confirmation will be breakout of this. Once we close H4 above here, this trend line breakout will be confirmed here. This trend and trade, and you can trade it from here towards this zone. Might be this zone. This is the resistance, current resistance here. These are your targets. So waiting from this H4 to close above here, and I will enter in it. Right now I'm in it. Scalp long. I think I'm in it. Yes, I just got to break even. Why? Same level here, SR level, and I'm anticipating what should we say? A breakout trade here. Breakout retest, and then this was a supply turn as a breaker, and one more structure is forming up here. Many people know about it. Adam and Eve. This is a neckline, whole neckline. This one. So this zone. So hopefully it reclaim it, and then we might target above. Other than that, once this high broken out, then this Adam and Eve pattern and all breakouts will be confirmed, and we will trade higher on Atom. Link, last one, I think I will guess. I already provided this trade on Twitter. I missed this bids 8.79 zone spot bids. I missed it. I was sleeping at that time, and I checked later. Then I placed some bids around this zone, but it also missed out. Now I placed again these bids, removing my range here. Simple. This SR flipped here. Good FEG here, and any pullback, quick pullback towards here, I will buy. I am a buyer of link 10.7 and stops around 9.9 and targeting 13.7. This is from link near. I done it. Yes, I think I didn't. Okay, near. Yes, I have a bid. Simple daily range it is. We reclaimed range very well here, and on retest of range low, I placed bid stops just below here, targeting range high. I am playing on near as a range. So yes, waiting for near to get filled. And one more I had. I think I had a PYR. PYR, where it is? PYR, PYR, here it is. PYR arrange here. This like 30 years of range. A small deviation here, and this is a 2 3 day demand here. I place bids around 2.373. Stop will be daily acceptance below 2.37, and I'm targeting, this is spot bids. I'm holding it like 155% on my margin to 1.5x. So 6.9 I will target. These are my bids. Risk is managed on all trades, and for any kind of pullback, I am in it. XRP is going good, and when everything was going up, XRP didn't move at all. I don't know what's the problem with the XRP range here, and this is M5 order block. This is M5 order block. I didn't place any bids in it yet, but I don't know. I think this is a good trade. We have H4 demand matching here. Small liquidity pending. So if price didn't tag highs before coming down here, then this will be a good trade. So tapped here and then range highs. This is XRP from my side. Nothing else I'm watching. These are, I think, 8 9 coins I have covered here. Uh, any sort of unusual movement came up in during tomorrow is a Monday. We have Monday, and it's 20 will be 26 inshallah of August. And any fokre begins on crypto market, I will update accordingly. And sorry, very late I came after like 3 4 months later. I am recording a video just because of some personal shits going on in my life. I'm recovering from it, alhamdulillah, but due to those things I was a bit uh, not focused on things. So back on charts and things, I'm doing it very good right now, alhamdulillah. And inshallah, weekly update will be uploaded soon. Again on each Monday might be. Sunday Ahmed do stream, so I will do it on Monday with a recording of a 30 to 40 minute video. Thank you for tuning till end. If you didn't subscribe the channel, subscribe it to support me. Thank you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.